Hey, it's Jason at Hangtown Affordable Auto Repair with the video for today. So we got this Ford in yesterday. We have not worked on it before with a complaint of vibration while braking. So I took it for a drive. It's definitely vibrating while braking. Got it in. The front brakes are in good condition as far as pads. The rears have some issues. But the biggest problem, and I'm 99% sure why the rotors are so warped, is because the wheels were so tight I could barely get them off with a $500 snap-on torque wrench. It's just a torque gun, or a gun, snap-on gun, half-inch gun. So make sure when you're taking your car in, they are actually torquing wheels to spec. That way that's out of the question whether that could have caused what's going on with the brakes. But I'm pretty sure that was it, because I could not get the lug nuts off. All right, thanks for listening.